Hello world! From the Just Jared News, Lily Collins, husband Charlie McDowell shut down criticism of using surrogate to welcome first child. Udad Charlie is sitting back at the haters. On Friday, January 31, the 41-year-old filmmaker and wife Lily announced the birth of their first child, a baby girl named Tovi, whom they welcomed via surrogate. New Instagram comment, Charlie respond to criticism of using a surrogate to welcome their daughter. Thank you for all the kind messages and love. We are overjoyed and very grateful. Charlie started. In regards to the unkind messages about surrogacy and our path to having a baby, it's okay to not be an expert on surrogacy. It's okay to not know why someone might need a surrogate to have a child. It's okay to not know the motivation of a surrogate regardless of what you assume. It's okay to spend less time spewing hateful words into the world, especially in regards to a beautiful baby girl who has brought a lot of love into people's lives. He continued, "That's all for now because she just pooped and I need to change her diaper. If you miss it, this star revealed she cut ties with a friend who shamed her for using a surrogate." Congratulations to Charlie and Lily for their bundle of joy and welcome Tovi to this beautiful world. Good day to all! Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you!